when looking at LCA results in general, it's very important to remember that we always do a comparative analysis in life cycle assessment. We are always choosing representative reference scenario to compare our results to. So that means that in the end, we find out whether our pilots are performing better or worse in terms of environmental sustainability than this conventional scenario that we are choosing. The second thing is that, of course, the data collection happens on a small scale, either laboratory or pilot scale, and we make certain assumptions when it comes to scaling these data up to a larger scale. But it is important to remember that the data is also subject to some uncertainties or leads to some uncertainties. So it is important not to take the results as a precise yes or no. It's important to look into the interpretation, and that is also why it's important to have an LCA practitioner interpreting the results. That being said, my general observation with the pilots I have worked on, I have been assigned to pilot 2, so the ion exchange adsorption pilot, and pilot 4, which was seawater reverse osmosis brine treatment technology train, so multiple technological units going into this. My general observation is that when it comes to nutrient recovery, the nutrients we recover usually happen via some added materials or electricity or infrastructure. That means that we need materials to recover some materials. And in general, the final verdict whether this technology will be favorable in the end is whether your produced nutrients or recovered nutrients compensate for the impacts that the materials that you're using or the electricity you're using.